So hello everyone. In this video we're gonna go through super trending app which went viral, and it's called Spamapp. So I'm not encouraging you for spam or anything. That's just the name of the app. Which probably just went viral on TikTok. This is how it looks like, and as you can see, it's in the top charts in the App Store right now. It's really amazing. So what this app is about. So in this app you can share the randomest photos and videos. If you can post it to your Insta, share it on this app. The fastest way to share moments with your friends, just add them to your list and photos and tag, and they are shared instantly. This app is authentic. No filters, no editing, no public likes, no previews, no judge. It's a non-toxic social media app that works like an instant camera. You can share as much as you want every day. And don't have friends, you can also find friends here. A memory roll with your friends, casual photos just captures more, share without judgment, the feelings always mutual. So that's the app. And why is it going viral? So of course one of the reasons probably because it just went viral on TikTok, and like this is how the apps these days go viral. Like remember Locket widget app or Noted app. And also there is a massive demand because like Instagram, it's like too much pressure, too perfectionist. So someone just needs the app where you can just share the photos, like some casual photos, and just hang out with friends and all of that without so much pressure, without just Instagram perfectionism and all of that. So let's just open the app. Easily create your account. This is just my table. So easily create your account. Just need your US phone number. I think it's not possible to add any other phone number, just US one. So just do that. And then you just need to receive verification, and then basically you just have your username, and then so important thing is to make sure that you set up your username correctly in this app, because you can't change it later. I tried to change it later, it's not possible, so just be careful there. But on the good side, there are not many people registering, so you can still register like your first name, username. So as you can see in my case, so that's pretty cool. And then basically what happens, like, so you see this roll. So basically the overview of my photos, and this is the photos roll in this app. As you can, it looks still nice, interesting, but it's not Instagram. There are a lot of like not perfect photos and GIFs. So just the whole idea of the app is that you share like some casual photos with your friends, and then just add them in the roll. But basically, let's just show me. So for example, I'm just taking the photo of this. I just took one photo, and as you can see, it keeps counting on the bottom right near the paper plane icon. And then if I don't do anything, it will just automatically share to my roll. So there you have it, and now it's just shared, as you can see, and it's shared to list of my friends. If I only just take a photo like this, it will be a photo. But before I took the photo, I took a few photos, and now you can see it's like automatically GIF. Now when it's a photo, it's just one photo, and then I can see all of that. If I want, I can just tap and hold, and I can just I can feature, I can make it public, I can delete it, I can add a note. I can share it, or anyways I can just delete it. So that's basically how it looks like. So that's the idea. And of course the fun part is friends. So you can add friends, you can just search friends by username, or you can just add them here. You can just invite people from your contact list. So that's also what you can do. And of course it's encouraging to just share the app to your friends. It's more popular and all of that. and then when you share this image walls which your friends see. So that's kind of this casual way of sharing the casual moments. So, and then there is like a chat where you can just hang out with friends. Just see what's happening, and you can also comment on people's photos and people conversations. Just someone took a photo, you commented on it, and someone can reply you. You can also report it. You can share the photo, share the screenshot or something on Snapchat, on Instagram. So yeah, every day you go on this app, you earn score. So add point for each day and more. So basically, if I go to my profile, you will see my score is 1 because I just opened this app today. And then you can see the number of friends you have. I can send notifications to my friends if they don't have the app, and then I can just remind them to send them again. And now I will show you really cool stuff, like basically how this app is going viral. So I think what they did is super smart. It's like amazing. So in the profile, you can get verified. To get it, you don't need to submit some form or some proof that you're a big influencer and all of that. So you just need to link your Instagram or TikTok. To do that, you just need to copy this code, which is basically a link to the app. Add the code below to your Instagram or TikTok bio, and then tap verify to get then your check mark. Your verification will last as long as you keep the code in your bio. So that's basically it. Then you can just go to your TikTok and tap verify. And then like TikTok icon will become yellow. So for example, I will just TikTok. So here is my TikTok. And then if I go to my profile, you will see that in my description I have this link to the app. By the way, follow pretty cool videos about apps and software. TikTok. And then my TikTok became here, and I just basically get verified. But I don't have 10,000 followers on Insta and TikTok, and I don't have a green icon. But if you do, you can get a green one. If you have 100,000 on either Insta or TikTok, so you don't need both, then you get a blue icon. So that's cool. You can also add Snapchat, and you can also add Twitter. It's possible to change your name here, add some description, change profile color, and also upload profile picture, but it's not possible to change username. Again, I didn't figure it out yet, so that's what it is at this moment. So yep. What else is fun here? So yeah, just basically this is how the app works. You just post some stuff and just engage with friends. In the top right here, when you try to post something, there's like a support icon, just in case you just want then to reach out to the team. I think this is like quite an indie team, so it's not like a large corporation, but it's like few cool developers who build this app, so that's amazing work. And then, but yeah, if you want to reach out to them or ask them a question or feedback, or even if you're not sure about your data and just want to delete your data or just completely delete your account just to be safe, you just maybe want to reach out here. There is no option to do it right in the app at this moment. Yep. You can also add some other links. As you can see, my social links are yellow here. So that's that. That's so far I've been exploring it. That's what I have found interesting in this app. So that's basically what it looks like. And then for example, if I go just to the feed and I want to to see some feed, or I can see like this cat, I can again just comment something, add a comment, send it here, and then maybe someone will reply, or you can engage. You can send a like, or I can send a reaction here. So yeah, just cool way to engage. And then you will see, you can go to the friend's profile, you can see who she is verified, don't like, you can report the user and all of that. So it says just, an exploration, and then there is your friends role, and then there is featured role, and then you get the notifications when yep. So there you have it. So that's that. It's just like an overview how to use this app. I didn't use it a lot, but it went viral on TikTok, and that's what it is at this moment. So super cool. Hopefully there are a lot of new updates. This app is not that buggy. Everything seems to be working mostly fine. I tried it out. There wasn't like a lot of bugs and a lot of glitches and all of that. As you know, probably in the new apps, when you open an account, some things are like just super buggy. Here it just seems fine, so that's kind of cool. That it's a nice release. And many apps which are like, trying to compete to Instagram and add this casualness and add this, like just removes this pressure from like perfect world of Instagram. Like, I don't know, there were like some Dispo app or Labs app where you could add these like filters and create like cool party photos, but there are a bunch of apps in this category already. And of course the whole metaverse, I think, is just like, when you're hiding under avatars and you don't want to expose this some like perfect world. So anyways, it's just like my thoughts, but give a try to this app. Okay, so there are some privacy settings. You can see that you can make your photos public. You can update your privacy settings at any moment, or only friends can see it. So yeah, here you can share it, and here's how you can just change the visibility settings. Hope that is helpful. Check out my TikTok, check out my YouTube. I also have a blog and podcast. Anyway, see you in the next videos. Hope it was helpful.